Hello everyone, welcome back. It's your boy Cyber Warrior. This is Cyber Warrior Studios and it's Tech Tuesday. So today, we're going to keep on the path of securing our social networks and emails and things of that nature. And for today, we're going to be using BlueStacks because Instagram likes to be difficult and a lot of the things you can only do through the mobile application. So I will be showing you this and all the settings you're going to see here are only on the mobile app. I tried to do it from the desktop and it yelled at me and said only do this through the mobile application, so that's what we're going to do. So without further ado, let's get into it. So like I said, today we are going to be working on Instagram and securing it, and there's always a way around everything, hence the BlueStacks here. And so we're going to go into Instagram. As you can see, I'm already in. We have it here. This is just a demo account as the last time was, and for this we are going to set up our security settings. So if you go in and you click your personal profile logo icon down here, all right, and then you go up to the three bars and you go to settings, you have all this fun stuff here. Now, we could go through all of them, but ideally you want to set your stuff up to be as secure and private as you need. If you are in the public eye, whether you're an independent wrestler or musician or artist or content creator, then yes, a lot of your stuff may end up being public. However, for the purposes of this, it's all going to come down to you. So we can go into privacy and look at hidden words, any limits. If you want to make it a private account, again, if you are not in the public eye. If you're trying to do something, if you're trying to use this as a personal account or what have you, that's really where it's going to come into play. Your mentions, comments, all that stuff. Take a look at all these settings. Make sure they're set the way that you want them and make it as private or as public as you need. Now, going back, we have supervision here. If you want to supervise your child or whatever the case may be, you can do that now. And now the main part of this is security. So when you're looking at the security of Instagram, a lot like the other stuff that we've done, you can go into your login activity, see where everything's logged in from. Right now it's saying, as usual, hey, you're active now on this device. And because the way we're using it, it is saying it's a 1+. And you can kick people out. So I can actually go into this and say, well, I don't want this person, so let's log that one out. And now they're gone. And I can go in and remove all these. They're all me, but I can remove them all. All right. And now the next thing we want to do is we want to set up our two-factor authentication. It's one of the biggest things. So we go get started. We can use Authenticator app, WhatsApp, or text message. Well, WhatsApp is owned by Facebook, so that's really on you. I would rather not use WhatsApp or text message. Again, we've discussed that in the past. If you're using a text message or SMS, numbers can be cloned and you can lose that information, or somebody else can act like you. There's always a way around it. There's a way around everything. But since we cannot use a hardware token, we're going to use Authenticator app. So we're going to go here and we're going to click this. Well, we have one. So they recommend Duo Mobile or Google Authenticator. I'm going to use a different one today, but those work as well. So we're going to set up manually. We're going to copy this key. So key is copied. And there's a reason we have to copy that, because I cannot scan a QR code from this. Okay. So because I have to do this on mobile, and your QR codes or images that are you usually scan the QR code from your phone in order to do this. So what we're going to do is we're going to click that. So we already copied it. So copy key. We're going to go back home. We're going to open up Authenticator. And we're going to add an account. Yeah, sure, you're allowed. But we're going to say no QR code. Come on. I love when apps get stupid. It's trying to take control of the camera, which of course I'm using, so it can't do. Okay, let's try this one more time. Authenticator, add account, no QR code. There it is. Account name, demo, social, CWS, secret key, paste that in there. And it's added. So now we have this. So it shows this key, and it's going to change every 60 seconds. So we're going to go in, we're going to let it refresh. Okay, 083691. So we're going to go back here. Next, 08361. Okay. Done. And it gives you your recovery code so that if ever you lose access to your authenticator application, you can go through and you can download these. So that gives you that. All right, cool. So we're good. I don't need these. Again, I'm going to end up deleting this account. But now we go back. And in here, you can see saved login info. So are you going to save where you're logged in at? Are you going to save your phone number? I personally try to limit where my phone number is at because that's always used as a way to bypass a lot of these different authentication methods. If you have that phone number, it can change that phone number. You can take over a lot. Emails from Instagram. So you go here. Do you want any of these emails turned on? All right, or the messages that came to you. So these are everything that's been sent to you already. And then you can run a security checkup. So create a stronger password, email, and mobile phone. I don't have a mobile phone number. You're right. I did not add much of this because I'm not gonna add much of this. And then two-factor authentication. So all this stuff is there, and you can go through and really look at the security and make sure it works for you. Just one more thing to look at here when you're looking at all this information. Again, I stress the most important part is this privacy when it comes to private accounts. So you want it to be private. Only your followers will be able to see your photos and videos. This won't change who can tag, mention, or message you. So you can switch to private, and then mentions is where you would change it to whoever you want. So who can message you, posts, who can see them, all right, or who can tag you in posts, things of that nature. All right. So a lot of this stuff is just things that you need to be cognizant of, and I hope you understand really what all this can do. If you have any questions, though, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Instagram, very easy to go through and show you. Again, we just set up 2FA in a matter of seconds. So with that, I will leave you with this. Like, comment, and subscribe down below if you haven't done so yet. I am here for you. And I am here for you every week, whether it's Security Happy Hour, Tech Tuesday, or Motivation Monday. We are always delivering the content to you, the people, and maybe some robots that see this. Who knows? But either way, I love you all. Enjoy your Tuesday and the rest of your week, and I will see you this Friday for Security Happy Hour right here live on CyberWarrior Studios. Until then, take care. Like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget.